Good day, grade 8 students. Yesterday we discussed about the principles of design. Are you remember those principles of design? Yes, the principles of design are composed of emphasis, harmony, rhythm or repetition, proportion or scale, and the contrast. And today we are going to discuss about the elements of design. Elements of design composed of line, shape, color, texture, form, and pattern. But we are going to discuss first the line. The question is, what is line? Line, it is an element of art used to describe a shape or an outline. Through continuous mark on a surface with writing or marking tool, mass and volume are achieved. We have the characteristics of line. Number 1, width, length, direction, focus, and feeling. Another elements of design, we have the shape. Are you familiar with shape? Okay, what is shape? Shape is a two-dimensional line with no form and thickness. To create shape, space is enclosed. Example, triangle, heart, circle, square, etc. Those are the example of shape. Another elements of design, we have the color. A color is a phenomenon of light. Colors are organized in guide called the color wheel or chart. We have two properties of color. What are the two properties of color? Number 1, we have the value and the chroma. What is the value or what is value? The value refers to the lightness or the darkness of the color. How about the chroma? The chroma is the lightness and dullness of the color. The question is, are you familiar with the primary colors? Yes, if you are familiar with the primary colors, what are those primary colors? Yes, we have red, yellow, and blue. Take note that the combination of two primary colors in equal quantities produces secondary colors. Again, what are the secondary colors? Yes, we have the green, the violet, and the orange. And take note, a mixture of primary and secondary colors result to an intermediate or tertiary colors. What are the 6 tertiary colors? Okay, the 6 tertiary colors are yellow-green, yellow-orange, red-orange, red-violet, blue-green, and blue-violet. Then, the primary and secondary and tertiary colors comprises the 12 basic colors. Every color can be altered or mixed with white, black, or gray in 3 ways. So we have the 3 ways in altered or mixing those colors. First, we have tinting. Tinting is a process of lightening any of the 12 basic colors by adding white. For example, red added by white, it will become pink. Tint is considered pastel color or light color. Another one is shading. Shading is a process of darkening any 12 basic colors. Example is the burgundy. It is a result of combining red and black. Burgundy. A Aside from shading, we have toning. Toning is a method of graying down any color in chart by adding gray. Example, blue mixed sparingly with gray can become a grayish blue. Ayan, those are the mixed or altered color added by white, black, or gray in 3 ways. Again, what are the 3 ways? Tinting, shading, and toning. Another one, we have the color harmony. Refers to the proper arrangement or organization or one or more colors in such a way that is pleasing to the eye. Example, the complementary colors. Complementary colors uses any 2 colors that are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. For example, red, green, blue, orange, and yellow, purple. So those are the complementary colors because they are directly opposite with each other in a color wheel. Another one is the analogous color scheme. The analogous color scheme uses 2 or more combination of the neighboring colors. For example, yellow, yellow-orange, and orange. So, those are the examples of analogous because they are the combination of a neighboring colors. Aside from analogous, we have the triadic colors or the triadic harmonies. Are the 3 colors evenly spaced to each other on the color wheel. Say for example, green, orange, and purple. So those are the example of triadic harmonies because they are evenly spaced with each other that is located in the color wheel. Aside from that, analogous, we have the split complementary color. It is a variation of complementary harmony. So we have here the example, red-violet, blue-violet, and yellow. Split complementary. Next, we have the double complementary color. It is a combination of 2 adjacent colors and their clash or opposite colors on the color wheel. So for example, orange, yellow-orange, blue, and blue-green. Those are the example of double complementary color. Aside from that, we have the tetradic color harmony. Uses 2 colors arranged into 2 complementary pairs. For example, orange, red, blue, and green. Next, we have the monochromatic harmony. Monochromatic harmony is a mixture of color, tint, and shade. Say for example, pink, red plus white, and the maroon, red, added with black. And those are the examples of color harmony. So let's proceed to another elements of design. We have texture. These elements of design deals with the degree of roughness and smoothness of a surface or an object. Aside from texture, we have form. Form, it refers to the 3-dimensional object that uses light and shading techniques to produce volume and breadth. And last one, elements of design, we have the pattern. Pattern refers to the consistent movement or arrangement of lines, shapes, forms, and others that organize surface or structures. What are the importance of knowing those elements of design? Yes. The principles and elements of designs are the most basic visual components of any composition. In understanding them, how they affect and complement each other, and what message they express, it is very helpful in making embroidered designs. And that's all, grade 8 students. And tomorrow, you are going to prepare a bond paper or a piece of paper and also your crayons. And we have an activity tomorrow. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye.